deep inside, there's a tear, a sadness. Let's talk to one of the people of Grand Marais and find out what's with that.
I don't know if you've ever been in our store before, but we've been here 45 years. My dad started it in '64, and we make a lot of our own lures, and that's the reason we're still here.
What do you say, Brian?
Hey, okay. Celine, any questions?
No, we just
Oh, okay.
the way you shot.
Oh, no,
Okay,
please,
come on in.
come
Yeah, come on in. Well, me and the bird got along good.
Not here yet. I've been doing that all day long. Okay. Following it up right to the last minute, and then we're real close. Ready?
Yep.
The sea is about 1,050. No, try it again. How far is the sea away from here? 5,000 miles? Okay. I'm here next to the Hjortis, or Hjortis, as the Norwegians would call them. I know, I'm being funny. Okay, yeah. The loss of the bird. We're here going to find, again, the loss of this bird. Take two. Faithfully here, ancient Viking mariners practiced the crafts of being Vikings, pitching ancient manuscripts into the sea of the monasteries they pillage, and creating their own coffins out of rough-hewn, splintery wood. Damn! Okay, here we go. 2, 3. Grand Marais, Minnesota. Water, wilderness, ancient Viking mariners. A hole in their hearts that will only be plugged when someone gives them the bird. So please. Stop it now.